So welcome to IDQ Value Adder, and this is the pronunciation and vocabulary class where we don't only learn new words, we also use it. Because if you learn any new words, if you don't use it, then you will forget it without without any doubt. So today we are going to learn a wonderful topic, that is pronunciation tricks. How to pronounce any word. Okay, sometimes in a word you will see there are so many syllables. Like, for example, the sentence is handkerchief, 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 handkerchief. The meaning is, in Hindi we say rumal. Okay, so there are four syllable hand, sorry, three syllable trisyllabic word. It is handkerchief. So this is the way all the words have syllable. Pencil, 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 pencil. So like that, today we'll see some of the words, and we also will see how to pronounce those words. Maybe we are not pronouncing the way it should be pronounced. So let's go ahead and enjoy this learning. So we all know that, this pronunciation tricks will help you to create rapport with others. Yes. The way you speak English, the way you speak English, the way you pronounce any word, that helps you to create rapport with others. It means to convince the person. It's very important that when you speak in English, you should convince somebody. So let's go ahead, guys. We are going to learn 5 words today. We are going to learn 5 words today. And those words are very easy words. So you will understand very easily. Okay. Let's go for the first one. The first word is this. We have heard this word. I'm not going to sound this word because I want to see how do you sound this word. So we'll go for one person. I'll unmute that person and I'll ask. So let's ask Biplab Bhakto. Biplab, can you unmute yourself?
Yes.
Yeah, hi Biplab. How are you?
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay, not good.
I am well.
Yeah. So Biplab, the word you can see on your screen, what is this word?
Photography.
Photography. Photography. Okay, photography. Photography. Okay, let's listen. Okay, let's go to Ratna Bhattacharya. Ratna, can you tell me this word?
Photography, sir.
Photography. Photography. Photography.
Yes.
Okay, photography. Ratna, can you tell me in how many syllables are here? How many syllables
3
are
syllables,
there?
sir.
3 syllables. Okay, according to Ratna, there are 3 syllables. Okay, let's go to Tanushri. Tanushri, can you tell me how you sound this word?
Photography.
Photography. Photography. Okay, how many syllables are there? How many different parts are there?
I think 4.
Okay, so Tanushri is saying 3. Tanushri is saying 4. Let's go to Neeraj Madan. Neeraj ji, please unmute yourself.
It's 3. Photo
3 syllables. How will you pronounce this word?
Photography.
Photography. Okay. Okay. Now I'm telling you the answer. There are 4 syllables. Okay. The first syllable is photography. Yeah, there are 4 syllables. Photography. Guys, we are learning very easy words. Okay, because those words which we normally speak. I'm not, because there are many people, they don't use advanced words. So I'm using a normal word which we normally use in our general life. But how do we use, that is a question. Let's ask Sandhya Sharma. Sandhya, can you pronounce this word?
Sir, which word? I'm not seeing. I'm seeing you only.
Hmm? You
Yes,
can't
sir.
see any word right now on your screen?
No.
You
No.
swipe left, swipe right. See, is there any word you can see? Wow. Your mobile is now only compatible to see me only, not anything else. What is happening, Sandhya? There's something, some problem must be there. Okay, let's go to some other person then. Manju Sharma. Manju Sharma, can you unmute yourself? Manju Sharma. How will you
Hello, sir.
pronounce? Yeah, how will you pronounce this word?
The photography.
Photography. Okay, now we have gone to so many people. Now, okay, let's ask Chanda because she is raising her hand. Yeah, Chanda, tell me. Chanda is the last person for this word.
Photography.
Photography. Photography.
Photo.
Fo. Fo. So
Photography.
where you feel more emphasis should be there? Fo or to? I want, if anybody want to write in the chat box, please write which syllable should be spoken more, should be given more emphasis. फो में ज्यादा
Emphasis
जोर
is
से बोलना है कि टो में बोलना है कि ग्रैब में
to में
बोलना है?
सर to में
Okay.
मेरे हिसाब से to
फोटोग्राफी.
या
फोटोग्राफी. So टो में उसको आप ज्यादा उठा रहे हो.
जी.
Okay, let's see. Some people have already toe. Some people are saying grag, toe. Grag, toe. Wow, the music ho gaya. Grag, fo. Okay, let's now it's time to understand the things. Thank you for participating, guys. How will you sound this word? The sound will be photography. ये जो टॉ है उस पे हम लोग प्रोनाउंस ज्यादा करेंगे. सो जो स्टार है, स्टार विल गो टू, स्टार मीन्स you will pronounce in higher pitch. Star, you can see the star. That means you will pronounce it with high pitch. Photography. One very important part. You see the syllable to is to. It's not two. For two, nahi. That to. It will be sounded as tho.
Yeah.
It will be sounded as tho. For tho. It will sound as tho. Toh. Photography. The pitch will be also high. So the sound will be I love photography. It's not I love photography. No, it's not I love photography. Many times we say, right? I love photography. It's not photography, it's photography. To will go take a high pitch. I love photography. Guys, I know if you say photography, nobody will say that you are wrong. But when you speak, how do you sound a particular word? I think when you speak like this, people will make it that yes, you are a good speaker. I love photography. So when you say like that, you will not sound as if, some Bengali person is speaking or some Bihari person is speaking or some, some Telugu person is speaking. You speak very naturally, photography. People will not make it that what is your religion, what is your caste. No, because it happens sometimes that our mother tongue accent comes, so it will sound as photography. Okay, now there's one more word we have, that is photographer. In this word, what do you think? This star, the star means the high pitch. Okay, where will this star go? Can you write in the gra? Okay, this time Chanda is telling it will go to gra, photographer. photographer or photographer. The same two will be there. So kindly write in the chat box where you find that now the more emphasis will be going to which syllable. So Neha has written two. Again two. Okay, Papia Basu, fur. Okay, photographer. Okay, Neelam is saying photographer, grapher. Poonam is saying means photographer. Okay, Aarti is saying photographer. Okay, now I'm telling you the right answer. Yeah, Tanushri, most of the people they're writing gra and fur, gra and fur. Okay, now the right answer is again photographer, photographer. It's photographer, not photographer or not photographer. It's same. This time it is same. Photographer. Photographer. So see, I just want to tell you guys, being very frank, after this class, when you sit alone, give at least half an hour to yourself. If you are really serious, give half an hour time to yourself and use this word the way I'm using photographer, because if you will not use your tongue will not be habituated to use these words and you will forget this word. See, this is, as a coach, this is what I want you to do, and I will feel bad if you will not do. I know you are busy, I know you have a lot of work. If you are, you know, if you're really serious, then practice beyond our class. It will always help you, at least today. Every day's class, whatever you learn, after class, you spend half an hour with yourself alone and talk to yourself what I have learned. What I have learned. See, I told everyone, hope you remember, you have to speak 7 minutes every day. Again, I'm repeating this. You have to speak 7 minutes minimum every day till 90 days. Minimum, if you really want to be fluent. If you really want to be fluent, you just have to give 90 minutes, 7 minutes for 90 days. So after every class, because see, I don't know that whether you are getting any extra time or not, but you are coming to class. So after class, make a habit that after every class, you will give at least 15 minutes or half an hour and practice, because you are already in the class, you have that mood, you have that that mood. I would say, you like that time. The time is very important game here. So after the class, give 15 minutes. I think that will help you a lot. Okay, let's go for the same sentence. Photographer, how will you use in a sentence? Photographer. I just want you to write any sentence with photographer. Photographer is a noun, and the meaning is person who takes photographs, especially as a job. The meaning of photographer, photographer nahi. Photographer means a person who takes photograph, especially as a job. Especially as a job. Okay. Now I want you to write a sentence with photographer. I want everybody. I will read it for you. At least top 10 sentence I will read definitely, where you are writing a sentence with photographer. Please, I'm waiting for your sentence. Please write, then I'll show you my sentence. Okay, I can see, I think some people have written here. My uncle is a photographer. Photography needs serious skills. Very good. But how you pronounce it, that is important. My brother is a good photographer. Photographer, not photographer. Okay, very good. John is a great photographer. Okay, photographer took the nice picture. Priyanka, photographer takes the nice picture. My friend is an amazing photographer. Ritu, wow, that's a nice and simple sentence. If I would not be a housewife, I would be a photographer. Poonam Shukla, wow, what a nice sentence. Okay, Nowadays you makes nahi hoga, you make hoga, Shweta. Nowadays you make a career in photography. Huh?
Oh, professional.
My cousin is an impeccable photographer. Wow, that's wonderful. Okay, very nice, very nice. I know that you knew this word, but were you speaking the way I'm speaking? Because even, I remember I used to say photographer, but it's photographer. Okay, so my son is a very much interested in photography. Wonderful. I saw my son taking photograph like professional photographer. Wonderful, wonderful. Okay, photographer visions are unique. Okay, a lot of sentence have come. So you
Sir,
can
what
see
was
this. Okay, the
please?
sentence is he pounced on the photographer, beat him up, and smashed his camera. Photographer. Again, the word photographer. He pounced. Pounce मतलब होता है किसी के ऊपर झपटना, झापानो, जाके बांग्लाয় বলে ঝাঁপানো কারোর উপরে, হঠাৎ করে কাউকে না বলে হঠাৎ করে একটা শক দেওয়া, किसी को नहीं बोल, किसी को हम लोग एकदम अचानक से किसी के ऊपर झपट जाना, that is called pounced. Okay, ये वर्ड यूज कीजिएगा. दिस इज अ वंडरफुल यूज. मैंने देखा है बहुत लोग, देयर आर मेनी पीपल, दे वो किसी के ऊपर झपटने को अटैक बोलते हैं. I've seen many people, they say attack, jumped. The right word is pounced.
सर
Yes.
मैन टू मैन यूज हो सकता है.
Yes, एकदम हो सकता है. हम लोग क्या बोलते हैं? हम लोग नॉर्मली बोलते हैं he jumped over him, he
Yeah.
attacked him. नहीं, pounced बोलिए. This is the right word. Pounce, किसी के ऊपर झपाट करके उसके ऊपर गिरना या उसके ऊपर छलांग लगाना या झपटना, kind of. Pounce, this is a wonderful word. Okay, now he pounced on the photographer, beat him up and smashed his camera. उसको काफी पीटा और उसके कैमरे को तोड़ दिया. So this is a wonderful word, wonderful sentence. इससे हमें एक अच्छा word भी मिल गया, pounce. It's a wonderful word. You should definitely use it.
So it's physically use only or
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can-
Pounced is physical only. ना आप किसी पे झपटोगे तो physically होगे. And this is a verb, huh? This is a verb. Pounced is a verb. इसका मतलब है pouncing, pounced. जो उसका verb family है, उसके 7 forms निकल आएंगे इसके. Pounce, okay? It's a wonderful word. So this is, and photographer is a noun. Photographer is a noun. Okay, let's go for the next word. A wonderful one. Wow, this is a wonderful one. And let's go to some other person and let's ask, what is this word? Let's go to Nilima Shaha. Nilima Shaha, can you unmute yourself? Nilima, can you tell me the word? What is this word on screen?
Yes.
This is a very easy word, Nilima. Try to sound it.
Sentiment.
Sentiment. Very good. Sentiment. Okay. I want everybody to please mention your name on your screen because sometimes I don't get the real name. Okay. I think Arpita is there. Arpita, tell me.
Hello, sir.
Yeah.
Sentiment.
Sentiment. Sentiment. Okay. I want everybody to write where you should put more emphasis. How many syllables are there? Try to write in the inbox. How many syllables are there and which syllable has to be spoken in high pitch? Sentiments or sentiments or sentiments? How will you sound that word? Okay, let's go to Niti Kumari. Niti Kumari, can you help to sound this word? Okay, no sound from Niti Kumari. Let's go to Poonam Sharma. Poonam Sharma, can you sound this word? Your sound is not coming, Poonam. I don't know why.
Sorry, sir.
Yeah.
I couldn't hear.
Yeah.
I think meant.
No, how you sound the whole word?
It has 3 syllables.
Okay.
Sentiment.
So how will you say
Sent-
sentiments?
Yes. Sentiment.
Okay, fine. Okay, fine. Thank you. Thank you very much. Okay, let's go for the other person. We have got Neelam Agarwal. Neelam Agarwal, can you tell me?
Sir, sentiment.
Sentiments, sentiment, sentiment. Okay, fine, fine, fine. Kanchan Jaswani, can you tell me the word? How will you sound it? Sentiment,
Sentiment.
sentiment, and where you will put more emphasis?
Meant.
Meant. Okay, let's see, guys. I'll come to everyone. Don't worry. I'll try to come at least. Now see, there are 1, 2, and 3. There are 3 syllables. Sentiment. And the more emphasis will go to sen, sen, sen. Okay. And there's one special thing you can see here on your screen. T, it will be spoken in one flow without extending the sound. Like it's not sentiments. Senti करके लंबा नहीं ले आना है इसको. इसको हम लोग कैसे बोलेंगे? Sentiment, 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 sentiment नहीं, sentiment, sentiment, timent, ये याद रखना, timent, timent, not sentiment, sentiment, timent, timent याद रखिएगा, timent, so timent को अलग से रखिएगा, sentiment, और एकदम एक साथ बोलना है उसको, sentiment नहीं, sentiment, 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 not sentiment, sentiment. In a one flow, you have to say sentiment. Sen पे focus ज़्यादा रहेगा. Sentiment. Okay. And this is another word. And how do you sound and where you will put more emphasis in this word? Can you write in this chat box? Where will you put more focus here? Same sen पे करेंगे कि इस बार कहीं और पे करेंगे? Yeah, I'm looking for your answer. There are 4 syllables. Yes, absolutely 4 syllables. But this time, the star, that high pitch, will go to some other syllable. Yes, most of the people they are doing right. Priyanka, only one syllable will be spoken with high pitch. Okay, so this time the high pitch will go to, yeah, syllable will be 4, absolutely right, but the pitch will go more here now in men. Sentimental, 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 sentimental. Men will have more high pitch. Sentimental. He is very sentimental. He is very sentimental. So sentimental में men में हमारा focus high pitch ज़्यादा रहेगा. Sentimental. What is the meaning of sentimental? Sentimental meaning is being emotional or feeling of sadness or nostalgia. थोड़ा emotional, you know, हम लोग कभी बोलते हैं that person is very sentimental. मतलब सब थोड़ा इमोशनल है, थोड़े में ही बहुत सेंसिटिव है, रो देता है, बहुत जल्दी दुखी हो जाता है, दैट पर्सन बहुत ज्यादा नॉस्टैल्जिया में रहता है, हमेशा पुराने चीजों के बारे में सोचता है. एंड सेंटिमेंटल, इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. सेंटिमेंटल, इट इज एन एडजेक्टिव. सो मेन याद रखना, सेंटिमेंटल. ओके, so this is an adjective. Okay, can you write some sentence with sentimental? I'm waiting for you. Please write some words, some sentences with sentimental. Let's see.
Astronomy.
Astronomy. Okay, fine. And where you want to put more focus, where the pitch will be high, astronomy or astronomy kind, where the emphasis will be more.
Sir, astronomy.
Draw. Okay. Draw. Okay, fine. Okay. Let's ask Poonam Taneja, what do you think? How will you sound this word? Yeah, Poonam Taneja.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sir, it will be astronomy. Tro.
astronomy. Tro.
Astronomy.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
fine.
Tro.
So most of the people, they are saying tro. So let's see the right way to speak this. Okay, most of the people have written in the chat box tro. Okay, this word is astronomy. Astronomy. It's not astronomy. Astronomy. Please listen. This is, how do you sound it? First, tro, tro, no, me. Astronomy. There are 4 syllables. One is missing here. So there are 4 syllables. Astronomy. But the high pitch will go to astro. But from tro to me means astronomy. The last 3 syllables you have to speak at a one go. Please, I'm repeating. There are 4 syllables. Astronomy. But the last 3 syllables, astronomy, has to be spoken at one go. एक बार में उसको बोलना पड़ेगा. लास्ट का जो 3 सिलेबल है उसको एक ही बार में बोलना पड़ेगा. जैसे ऐसे नहीं. हाँ, एस्ट्रोनॉमी, ऐसे नहीं. एस बोल के ट्रोनॉमी एक साथ बोलना पड़ेगा. एस्ट्रोनॉमी, 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 ट्रोनॉमी. Okay, it's not astronomy, it's astronomy. So and the same word, when we speak astronomical, then NOM will have the high pitch. Astronomical. Okay, so astronomy, tro will have high pitch, but when we say astronomical, then nom will have the high pitch. Astronomical. So difference you understand when you say astronomy, tro will have more high pitch, but when you say astronomical, then nomical will have more emphasis. Nomical. Okay, astronomical. So what is this? This is a noun or an adjective? Think about it. Now please see here. This tronomy, this whole 3, second, third, and fourth syllable, you have to speak in one flow without extending the sound. You can't extend the sound like astronomy. Extend नहीं करना है उसको. एकदम एक one go में बोलना है. Astronomy, 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 astronomy. ऐसे नहीं. हाँ, astronomy. और नीचे जो है astronomical, astronomical, astronomical. Fine, let's go for it. So guys, astronomical means it is a study. It is a study of astronomy or astro science. जो लोग एस्ट्रो साइंस, जो लोग एस्ट्रोलॉजर्स बनते हैं, एस्ट्रो साइंस को पढ़ते हैं, they are called, astronomy. Astro science, study of astronomy or astro science. Astronomy. It is an adjective. It is not a noun. Astronomy is noun. Astronomy is noun, but astronomical, study of astronomical. Okay, astronomical, it is an adjective. Adjective. Okay, guys, I know there are many people are here, who face problem how to use noun, how to use adjective. So I tell everyone here, you all, yes, whoever are here, you all are entitled to get one bonus grammar class on Tuesday 6. You should write somewhere in your copy. and that is a bonus class. That class will not be counted, okay? So every week on Tuesday, 6 p.m., you will have bonus class on grammar, okay? Bonus class on grammar, and that will not be counted. I'll be doing that class. It will happen every Tuesday evening at 6 p.m. Okay, now I want a sentence from you all. Please write the sentence. Sharmila Sen, the astronomical aspect of Earth atmosphere. Solar eclipse is an astronomical event. Very good. Poonam Shukla, astronomical studies have proven that there is life in moon. Wow, that's a wonderful sentence. Arpita Dev, I believe in astronomical studies. Very good. Okay, fine. Okay, I'm not getting any sentence, guys. I am looking for some more sentence here. You can see the sentence here. Astronomical predictions come from unknown signs. Very few people have access on it. बहुत कम लोग इसके बारे में जानते हैं. Okay, wonderful. Let's go for the next sentence. Wow, this is a wonderful sentence, a word. And I would really love to go to you and ask about this word. So let's go to Rupa Vishwanath.
Sir, PsyQ.
PsyQ. What is the meaning of PsyQ?
Mental.
Mental. PsyQ, okay.
Mental problem, I think.
Mental problem. Okay, so it is PsyQ means mental problems. Okay. Let's ask Arpita Dev. Arpita Dev, can you tell me this?
Psycho.
Psycho. Okay, psycho. Okay, Neha. Neha, unmute yourself.
PsyQ.
PsyQ. ये वर्ड क्या आप लोग ने पहली बार सुना? Okay, let's go for next. रेखा को कभी पूछा ही नहीं मैंने, आज रेखा जी मिस हो गई. Okay, रेखा जी, I'm coming to you. Yes, Rekha.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Physics.
Physic.
Physics.
Physic.
Physics. Physics.
Physic. Okay. Okay, इस बार थोड़ा different आ रहा है. You know, Sharmila Sen, will you participate?
PsyQ, sir.
PsyQ.
PsyQ. No, sir, I had.
या आरती जी आप बोल ही दीजिए. आप unmute
PhysiQ.
हैं. PhysiQ. Okay. अब आप लोग इंग्लिश का मर्डर कर देंगे. So before you murder, I should save this. Okay. अच्छा, पूनम शुक्ला शायद बोलना चाहती है. So पूनम जी को चांस देना चाहिए, लेकिन I'm not able to see here. पूनम शुक्ला, you raise your hand so that I can see. I can't see you. Yeah, पूनम जी, yes. आप बचा सकती हैं तो बचा दीजिए इंग्लिश को.
Sir, physique.
Physique. So आपको क्या लगता है? How many syllables are here?
3.
3. And which syllable will have more high pitch?
Z. Physique.
Fizzy. Okay. पूनम शर्मा जी को लगता है कुछ मिला है ट्रेजर कहीं से. So ये ask पूनम शर्मा जी. Sorry, पूनम शर्मा जी. Your sound is not coming. I don't know why. It's not coming, ma'am. It's not coming. It's not coming. Okay. You just do something. तब तक मैं घूम के आता हूँ भारती जी के पास. या भारती?
Sir, physics.
Physique. Okay. So where will you put more emphasis?
SIC.
अच्छा, physique. फिजिक, फिजिक, ओके ओके। नंदिता दी बहुत जोर से चिल्ला रही है, उनका आवाज हमारे यहाँ तक आ रही है, तो या नंदिता जी आपको मैं अनम्यूट कर रहा हूँ, या टेल मी।
Physics, sir. Physics.
Where will you put more emphasis?
Physics. Z.
Z. Okay, now let's go ahead. So guys, there are 3 syllable. Not 3 syllable, rather there are 2 syllable. Physique. जो SI है ना वो Z साउंड होगा. Physique. Z. अरे भाई आप लोग साइको बोल रहे थे. साइको में PSY होता है. PSY साइको. ये फी है. फी. The sound is physique. What is the meaning of physique? कौन बोलेगा? What is the meaning of physique? Anybody who raise your hand, I'll come to you. Yeah, Nobonita is raising. I'll go to new person. Yeah, Nobonita, can you tell me what is the meaning of physique?
Body.
Absolutely right. This is a kind of a structure or a body. Physique. Okay, zeek hai. Z. Physics. S nahi, haan, Z. It will sound as Z.
Physics.
And that Zeek will sound as one. Sound Zik. Physique. And Zik में ज़्यादा emphasis होगा. Physique. So Zik will have more sound. Physique. Now I'll go to a wonderful, very related sound like physique. And for that, I'll go to Ekta Sharma. So Ekta Sharma, please unmute yourself. One word I'm showing you and you have to tell me how will you sound. Yes, tell me the sound of the word which is at the bottom.
Physician.
Physician. Z या physician?
Physician.
Okay. ये Z sound होगा, हाँ, Z. Physician. Z.
Physician.
G नहीं, हाँ, Z. Physician. हाँ, yes. Physician मतलब क्या होता है आरती? Yes, कहाँ गई आप? क्या एकता? हाँ, एकता जी बोलिए. What is the meaning of physician?
जो सर्जरी.
डॉक्टर्स.
नहीं.
देखिए मैं बोलूंगा ना कि आप गलत भी बोलो तो ऐसे कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलो ना कि सबको लगे कि आपको बहुत कुछ पता है. आप सही चीज भी अगर कॉन्फिडेंटली नहीं बोलोगे तो आप फिर कोई फायदा नहीं. आपको जो लगता है एकदम कॉन्फिडेंटली बोलो. सर मेरे को तो लगता है इसका मतलब है डॉक्टर.
डॉक्टर.
So be confident about it. Absolutely right. Physician का मतलब होता है डॉक्टर. अगर नहीं भी होता तो एटलीस्ट कॉन्फिडेंट तो होता. So at least you know या तो मेरा एग्जांपल सही होगा या तो मेरा कॉन्फिडेंस सही होगा. So दोनों में किसी एक को तो सही कीजिए आप. कोई एक गलत भी हो जाए तो चलेगा. Okay. So guys, this is called physician. Physician. It's not physician. So phys में ज्यादा उसका जो emphasis होगा that will be on Z. और शियन जो है उसको हम लोग फिजिशियन नहीं बोलेंगे, फिजिशियन. सो शन साउंड करेंगे उसको. साउंड विल बी जैसे TION में शन होता है ना, TION शन, तो हम लोग ऐसे ही बोलेंगे फिजिशियन. Z. फिजी S वाला नहीं, Z वाला. Physician, physician. So guys, physician means doctor. A physician is a general term for a doctor who has earned a medical degree. जिसके पास medical degree है, she or he is a physician. And physician is a noun. Okay. Let's, I want to see some sentences with physician. Yeah, easy. I think you can make sentences. Ekta, I want you to also write some sentences. मैंने आपका sentence में नाम नहीं देखा. Don't think about making wrong English. You speak. जितना आप गलत बोलोगे उतना आप जल्दी सीखोगे. So speak whatever you feel like. I appointed a physician for my sister. Very good, Shubhra. We should meet physician periodically for our good health. Wow, that's wonderful. My uncle is a general physician. Wow. I salute all का spelling होता है ALL, okay? I salute all physician to handle COVID patients. Okay, Akshay Kumar is maintained his physique. Okay, अच्छा, पहला वाला sentence, okay? Physique. Ritu Sinha, if I feel sick, we must consult a physician. Very good. At the present moment, the physicians are alternative to God for us. Very nice sentence. Very nice sentence. Chanda, physicians are always a social reformer. Wow. Shweta, Dr. Jitendra Singh is a good physician. Okay. Misha, my daughter want to be or went to be, दोनों सही है, but कौन सा है, I don't know. My daughter went to be a physician or want to be a physician. Both are right. Went मतलब गई है कहीं पे, या want मतलब चाहती है. Dr. Ajit Paul is a famous physician who treat me at Chennai Apollo. Okay. My daughter went, okay. Neha, most of the physicians are suffering problem by treating COVID patients. Dipshika, now physician has major responsibility for cure patient. Very good sentence, Dipshika. Nowadays, physician advice are available on a video call. Available on a video call. Poonam Shukla. Tanushri, I shall salute all the physicians for the current situation. Wow, guys, thank you very much for your all sentences. I have a sentence for you all. Easy sentence. Physicians are the only hope for the safe future. Physicians are the only hope for the safe future now. Now we are left with only one word for the day. And this time, this word is very special. And, you know, I'm telling you, when you will see this word, you will feel very confused how to sound this word. I'm sure about it. And this time, it is a big risk. So I'll give it to very expert person here. But I want to see who is that expert person. Yeah. Who is that expert person? Yes. Okay, let's ask Misha. Misha, are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay, the word which I want you to speak is this.
Braggadocio.
Braggadocio or Bregadocio.
Braggadocio.
Bregadocio. Levialius. Okay. Okay. Is there anyone? Shubhra Banerjee, will you try?
Bregadocio.
Bregadocio. Kyo. Okay. So Misha saying Sio and Shubhra saying Kyo. अब पता नहीं आगे क्या हुई हो. Okay, let's go to Anu Singh. How will you sound this word?
Sir, Bradocio.
Bradocio. Blood-docio.
No.
Okay, let's go. Braggadocio. Okay, it's a wonderful word, but थोड़ा बोलने में थोड़ा अजीब लग रहा है, but this is a wonderful word to use. Okay, let's ask someone whom I'm not given the chance. I think ज़्यादातर लोगों को मैंने दिया है already chance. लेकिन जो लोग कैमरा को बंद रखे छुप के लंच कर रहे हैं या सो के क्लास कर रहे हैं, उनके लिए स्पेशली मैं बोलना चाहूंगा, like you know, कौन है ऐसे सो के क्लास करते हैं मंडे. Okay, let's ask Preeti. Preeti, how will you sound this word?
Braggadocio, sir.
Braggadocio.
Yeah.
So how many syllables are there in braggadocio?
5.
Braggadocio. 5.
Braggadocio. SHEE. O.
अरे यहाँ पे SH कहाँ दिख रहा है, यहाँ पे CIO दिख रहा है तो
CIO is there na? She.
where will you put more emphasis, where the more high pitch sound will come? Acha, you sleep now. I'll come to you again. Neelam Agarwal.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, tell me.
What's a braggadocio? Full sentence or
Full sentence, but you tell me the word and where will you put more sound?
braggadocio?
Bra. Okay, bra. Okay, yes, Neha wants to say, I guess. Neha, you want to say something? Braggadocio. Where will you put more emphasis? Bra. Shweta, you want to try?
So braggadocio.
Braggadocio. Braggadocio. अच्छा, ब्रगाशियो, ये सुनने में अच्छा लग रहा है, ब्रगाशियो। और जो डो है वो कहाँ जाएगा वो?
तो साइलेंट रहेगा।
अच्छा, अच्छा डो साइलेंट रहेगा। ठीक है, आपका सुनता हूँ मैं, सबका ही सुन रहा हूँ तो आपका भी सुनो। ओके, नाउ लेट्स गो। अच्छा, लास्ट आई विल आस्क टू नीति कुमारी। नीति, टेल मी।
Braggadocio, sir.
Braggadocio. Okay, let's go for the right sentence. The right word, sorry. The right word, there are 5 syllables, absolutely right. Bra, ga, do, shi, o. So do is also there. Okay, so do में पता नहीं वो क्यों नहीं आया, but आएगा शायद. Braggadocio, there are 5 syllables here, and the high pitch will go to do. किसी ने बोला डो को साइलेंट कर दो, लेकिन दो तो साइलेंट होगा तो कैसे चलेगा, वो तो उसमें तो हाई पिच डालना है, उसको और जोर से बोलना है हमको, दैट कैन नॉट बी साइलेंट। सो डो ब्रैगेडोशियो डो ओके, ब्रैगेडोशियो। There are 5 syllable, everyone. There are 5 syllable. Bragado. किसी ने इसको डो लिखा ही नहीं, सब गा ब्रै कर रहे हैं आप लोग। डो किसी ने बोला ही नहीं। Braggadocio. Okay, do is the word. It's a very nice word. आप लोग यूज कर सकते हो, बहुत कम लोग यूज करते हैं, बट जो लोग भी यूज करते हैं ना, they have a wonderful class. I'm telling you this. Next time क्या, आज ही तो आप लोग को बोलना है। So braggadocio, and there's one word called braggadocious. In this one also D में ही focus रहेगा, braggadocious. Braggadocio is a noun and braggadocious is an adjective. Braggadocio is a noun and braggadocious is an adjective. So do में नीचे do में ही focus ज्यादा रहेगा. So guys, can you make any sentence with the adjective braggadocious? Can you make any sentence with braggadocious? अच्छा, इसका मतलब आप लोग को नहीं पता होगा तो पहले को मतलब बता देता हूँ, ठीक है? Braggadocious, इसका मतलब होता है arrogant. एक ऐसा इंसान जो बहुत arrogant है, बहुत घमंडी है और बहुत अपने बारे में बड़ा चढ़ाकर बोलता है, मैं ये हूं, मैं वो हूं, अपने को बहुत ज्यादा इंपॉर्टेंस देता है. That's called braggadocious. Adjective. I don't like braggadocious behavior. Preeti has written. I don't like this. Okay, I'm looking for some more sentences. Braggadocious. You should always write, मैं पढ़ूं ना पढ़ूं, you should always write, because when you write the sentence, basically you are using that word. So don't think कि भाई सर पढ़ेंगे कि नहीं पढ़ेंगे, वो secondary है. When you write a sentence, it means you use that sentence. And when you use that sentence, you speak that sentence. वो sentence आपके पास रहता है. So don't think कि मैं पढ़ूंगा नहीं पढ़ूंगा, कोई फर्क नहीं पड़ता ये. You should definitely write. I don't like braggadocious behavior. Priyanka, he is a braggadocious person. Ignore people who are braggadocious in nature. Very good. Neelam Sharb Agarwal, we should behave like braggadocious. Okay. Okay, the one sentence I have shown in your screen, you can see this. Most of the time, my husband sounds braggadocious, but I don't care. अच्छा sentence है ये. Most of the time, my husband sounds braggadocious, but I don't care. I don't care. मुझे फर्क नहीं पड़ता. Okay, let's see some sentences. 24 sentences in India. In there are so many braggadocious leader. I don't like braggadocious person. I do not like braggadocious people. Very good sentence. We should not be braggadocious. Wonderful. My people doing like braggadocious behavior. My people doing like braggadocious nahi aap boliye usko. My people showing. My people are showing braggadocious behavior. Ranjit always reacts in a braggadocious behavior. Braggadocious manner लिखे और better रहेगा यहाँ पे. Nobonita, braggadocious people are ostracized from our society. Wow, Nobonita, so nice word. It's a wonderful word. I think everybody should know. I am also writing the same copy pasting, the same word said by Nobonita is a wonderful word. You can see this. Braggadocious people are ostracized. Ostracize, a wonderful word. Ostracize मतलब जो जिसको society निकाल देते हैं, जिसको society ignore करते हैं, अपने टाउनशिप से निकाल देते हैं, उनको ostracized बोला जाता है. Ostracized, removed. Wonderful, Nominita. Very nice. Nowadays, most Bollywood star kids are they are showing braggadocious behavior. Okay, thank you very much for participating on today's vocab class. And now the time has come when I'm going to share one topic. I'm going to share one topic and I'll give you 5 minutes time. I want you to write your name in the chat box. Who will be speaking? First 10 speaker. First 10 के बाद अगर टाइम नहीं रहेगा तो शायद हम आपको बोलेंगे कि आप रिकॉर्ड करके आपका स्पीच को रिकॉर्ड करके हमें भेजिएगा. हमको जरूर भेजिएगा. If you really want to improve and enhance your communication. इतना बोलने के बाद भी एक भी नाम नहीं आया, मतलब लोग सोच रहे हैं कि पहले टॉपिक देखेंगे उसके बाद हम नाम देंगे. एंड दिस इज द प्रॉब्लम विद अस, पहले हम देखेंगे भाई टॉपिक मेरे लेवल का होगा और ऊपर से पहला स्पीकर तो मैं बनूंगा ही नहीं. मैं तो जन्म ही नहीं लिया हूं फर्स्ट स्पीकर बनने के लिए. आई ऑलवेज बिकम अ लास्ट स्पीकर. कुछ लोग सोच रहे हैं आज तो मेरा पहला क्लास है, आज मैं कैसे बोलूंगी. ऐसा पॉसिबल ही नहीं है. देयर आर मेनी पीपल दैट दे आर थिंकिंग इन अ लॉट ऑफ डिफरेंट वेज. बट इतना तो मैं श्योर हूं, जो पहला 10 नाम मुझे मिलेगा उसको इंग्लिश बोलने से कोई नहीं रोक सकता. इतना चैलेंज तो मैं कर सकता हूं. बाकी 10 के बाद का मैं चैलेंज नहीं लूंगा, लेकिन फर्स्ट 10 नेम्स विल बी एन ऑसम स्पीकर इन फ्यूचर. अब देखो नाम कैसे आता है. ये लोग को मोटिवेशन चाहिए. एक बार मोटिवेशन मिल जाए ना इंसान को, कुछ भी कर देगा. ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच. अभी you people are feeling good. Yes, I am the top 10. Okay, now let's go for the wonderful topic of the day. The topic is ask your neighbors if they need groceries. थोड़ा different topic है, but wonderful topic. And I want, guys, I'm giving you 5 minutes. You prepare your topic और हर एक टॉपिक के sentences में आप कोशिश करोगे ये sentences होने चाहिए. The sentences like the word like photographer, ये word होना चाहिए आपके टॉक में. Sentimental, ये word होना चाहिए आपके टॉक में. Astronomical, ये word होना चाहिए आपके टॉपिक में. Number 4, physician, ये होना चाहिए आपके टॉक में. And the last one, braggadocious, ये word होना चाहिए आपके टॉक में. And today's talk is ask your neighbors if they need groceries. Okay, guys, we'll go for the speakers within 5 minutes. Okay, you still have 5 minutes to prepare. And मैं कोशिश करूंगा अगर मैं टॉप 10 से भी ज्यादा लोग को चांस दे पाऊं, बट you know where there are 45 people, so I cannot really because it will take time. मैं सबको बोलूंगा सब अपना अच्छे से टाइम लेके फर्स्ट यू मेक अ टॉपिक, सारे सारे नए नए वर्ड्स को यूज करो आराम से. फिर कल तक यू प्रिपेयर विथ ऑल द वर्ड्स. एटलीस्ट आपका टॉक 2 मिनट का होना चाहिए. Please listen, your talk should be of minimum 2 minutes and you send it by tomorrow. अभी मैं जिनका जिनका नाम लूंगा वो उनको तो जरूर बोलना है, लेकिन अभी नहीं बोलेंगे, पहले सुन लेते हैं कौन कौन बोलेगा. Okay, now please prepare. It's a wonderful topic and I really want that you all should speak really nice. Grammar, इस क्लास में ग्रामर कोई नहीं देखेगा. यहाँ पे बस देखोगे कि आप बोलोगे और ये वोकैबुलरी को यूज करोगे. ग्रामर को अभी नहीं देखना है. यू विल ट्राई कि ग्रामर गलत ना हो, बट इतना ज्यादा दिमाग मत लगाना ग्रामर पे.
Am I audible, sir? Can I
Hello,
start?
sir.
Sir,
Sir,
can
I
I
have
start?
sent, sir. I have sent first, sir. May I start, sir?
I have the names here, so I can see
Yes,
the names.
Madan. Sir, I have sent first. Yes, Madan.
Sir, I think I am the first.
I have the chat box, so don't worry. I'll go as per the name. First speaker is Neha. Okay. Yeah, Neha, you unmute yourself. I'm going with the sequence here. I have my sequence here. The sequence is written. Okay.
Sir, can I see and say?
This is a far. Yeah, you can see and speak. No worries.
A warm and delightful evening to all. I have a wonderful topic. Ask your neighbor if they need groceries. I have a wonderful neighbors and they were suffering from COVID-19. So that I want to help them for their groceries. They are very